You're watching the Fantastic Mr. Bee. Okay, in today's lesson, we're going to multiply multi-digit numbers. Okay, for our first problem, we have 6,755 times 43. So I'm going to start with my 1 spot, and I'm going to multiply 3 times 5, which is 15. I regroup my 1, and I'm going to put my 5 in the 1 spot. And then I'm going to do 3 times 5 again, which is 15 plus 1 is 16. Regroup my 1 and put my 6. Make sure to cross out your regrouped numbers so you don't get confused later on. Now I'm going to do 3 times 7, which is 21, plus 1 is 22. Regroup my 2 and put my 2. Once again, cross out your regrouped number so you don't get confused later on. Now I'm going to do 3 times 6, which is 18, plus 2 is 20. Make sure to cross out your regrouped number in case you get confused later on. Now I'm going to move to my 10 spot, my 4. Since I'm moving to my 10 spot, I need to annex a 0 here because I'm not multiplying by 4 anymore. I'm really multiplying by 40. So 4 times 5 is 20. Regroup my 2 and put my 0. Once again, 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 is 22. Regroup my 2 and put my 2 down. Now you can start to see why I'm crossing out my regrouped numbers so I don't get confused. Then I'm going to do 4 times 7, which is 28, plus 2 is 30. Regroup my 3 and put my 0. And last but not least, I have 4 times 6, which is 24, plus 3, which is 27. And finally, I'm going to go ahead and add up my partial products. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 2 is 4. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 2 plus nothing is 2. So my product is 290,465. Now let's look at our second problem. We have 2,543 times 14. I'm going to start with my 1 spot, and I'm going to multiply 4 times 3, which equals 12. Regroup my 1 and put my 2. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Regroup my 1 and put my 7 down. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 is 21. Regroup my 2 and put my 1 down. And finally, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Now I'm going to multiply by my 10 spot. This is a 10, so I need to make sure I annex a 0. So 1 times 3 is 3. And 1 times 4 is 4. And 1 times 5 is 5. And 1 times 2 is 2. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add up my partial products. 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 3 is 10, so I need to be very careful when I regroup my 1 there, and I put my 0 down. And then I have 1 plus 1 plus 4, which is 6. And then I have 0 plus 5, which is 5, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Make sure to put my comma in, and my product is 35,602. Until next time, this is the Fantastic Mr. Bee. Please click subscribe, like, and share.